So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a string art out of any images instantly. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have and here you have to search for Michelle uh, dash crumb.com slash string dash art dash gen slash. Just simply go to this website and once the website gets loaded, here you're gonna see all you need to do is just simply upload the file of which you want to generate the art. And once you upload the file, it will take some time, and the process you can see it started, and it has started generating the string art for me. You can see the process has started. It will take some time. Here you're gonna see the progress as well, and in some couple of seconds it's gonna provide me the string art for my image. Here you're gonna see it already started to take shape of my image. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.